Hey guys, it's Danny here. I just took apart this semi-hermetic compressor here, right here. And what I'm going to do is drain out all the oil and just see the condition of it, because the problem with this compressor was that it burnt terminal, so I just want to see the condition of the oil that's inside. So let's get started. All I'm going to do is pour into this container here. It's a clear one, so hopefully you guys can see the condition as it comes out. Now this is pretty heavy, so might take a bit of time. Okay, too heavy. Okay, so here it is. I don't know if you guys can see. Here, let me slide. Okay, here's the oil that I just took out from inside this compressor. Pretty dark. Now I'm going to compare this with any other compressor I took out that was also burnt, but that one was a hermetic compressor, so it's a bit different. So I'm going to go get that and I'll be right back. So here's the oil from a hermetic compressor that also had some burnt terminals, and as you can see, this one is much more black and sort of black and clear. It's all like carbon. And this one is that came off of this semi-hermetic compressor is more of a greenish yellow color, almost forest green, I'd say. And obviously it's black because of the carbon. So yeah, these are the two oil samples I got. This one is from a semi-hermetic compressor. This one is from a hermetic compressor. So the difference is definitely noticeable by just the color, and the consistency is pretty much the same. Once again guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned more about the oil inside of compressors and the difference between the semi-hermetic compressor oil and the hermetic compressor oil. And yeah, looking forward to your comments and feedback.